Well, fantastic. In the previous video, you learned how to create your project from scratch using a blank template. Today, I'm going to show you how to take it up and create your project using an existing template. So let's get started. First, click on the new project from here. Here you will get two options, blank project and use a template. In earlier video, I have explained you how to create a project by selecting a blank template. So in this video, I am going to guide you how to create a project by using a template. So click on the template. Now from here, you can choose one of the given template to create a new project. Here you can see a two ready-made template, a development template and design template. For now, I am selecting a development template. Each template is customized as per the category of the services, which you can see here. Now, if you want to use this template, then click on the use template. Thereafter, from here, you can add the project name, key, category, due dates, lead colors, and setting preferences. So now let's add them one by one. First, project name. Let's give a project name as project using a template. Now the key. The key is automatically assigned. If you want to customize, then you can add one of the lead. Select category. For now, I'm selecting a fixed price. Due date. Let's add a due date, 30th August. Lead. You can assign yourself as a lead. Now project color. You can select one of the color from here or you can upload any image from your gallery. For now, I'm selecting one of the project color. Yes. This is algorithm technology workspace means in this project everyone can see your project, and if you want to make it private then you can click on this. For now I'm clicking on this to make the project with private. Only share with means you can assign any of the users from here. Let's assign Leon 1 from here. So the Leon 1 can see this project only. So that's it. So this is a very simple process. Now click on the create project. And now you can see the project using a template is created successfully. So this is how you can create your very first project using all the two options in a very easy way. By following these steps, you can effectively create and manage your project in this AlianHub. Thank you.